Hello Internet, welcome to Chess and Time. Today we'll be making date and walnut cake. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll be needing 200 grams of chopped dates. To this, you'll be needing 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. 1/3 cup of butter. To this, add half cup of milk. Mix all of it and set aside for 10 minutes. This step helps to keep the dates moist. Whisk an egg in a separate bowl. To this whisked egg, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the egg mixture to the date mixture. Toss in 125 grams of chopped walnut. To this mixture, sift 1 cup of refined flour. Incorporate all the ingredients well, and if you like, you can toss in some choco chips. I have greased 2 4-inch cake tins. My cakes are ready to be baked at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Oh my god, they came out so well and looked so delicious. Let me show you how this beautiful cake looks like. See, I told you, it's a treat. You must try this recipe. I'm sure you're going to love this. Thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead, like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me for more such recipes. Bye.